Let's talk about something real quick. You know, we in the midst of some crazy times right now, right? All the foolishness going on in the government, right? People not getting paid. People might not get their food benefits, right? And by the way, if any of y'all out there that's suffering behind this, you know, I've been praying for you. I don't just throw that out there. I mean, my personal prayers, I've been praying for everybody suffering out there. If you're affected by this, all right? It's easy to get caught up in the minutia, right? The worrying about, oh, it's the Republican fault. Oh, it's the Democrat fault. It's the orange man fault. It's easy to get caught up in that. But what matters is what you gonna do about it. See what I'm saying? It's really pointless trying to figure out what they gonna do. You can't do that. We gotta worry about what we gonna do about it. Food security, Jack. So what I'm getting at is, hey, I ain't talking about, you know, you got to be a farmer, you know, or you got to have a big garden. But what I'm getting at is, you got to be realistic by you, meaning, you know, us, we, the Grumpy Nation, you know, we got to take care of ourselves. We got to put ourselves in a position where we can feed ourselves, right? And that don't mean going to buying acres of land. That means you could just be stocking up on beans and rice, baby. Self-sustainable, shelf-stable food. Beans, rice, pasta, water. You know what I'm saying? Why get it in the big bags? Why you can? 25-pound bag of beans, pinto beans, about $15, $20. Beans and rice will keep you going a long time, Jack. Pasta, you know, all that stuff shelf stable. Get you some canned meats, some canned vegetables. Get it while you can now. Put it up. And not just because of the panic that's coming. This is a preparedness mind state. We can have a natural disaster. Power can go out, you know, things like that. So don't just let this, you know, this foolishness going on now in the government be the only reason why you do that. You want to be prepared like that. You know what I'm saying? Going forward. Period. Regardless of what's going on. That way, you ain't sitting around worrying about it's a damn Republican or a Democrat. See what I'm saying? You don't want to be in that situation anyway, because they ain't going to help you. Right? See what I'm saying? Get you some water, man. Some beans and rice and stuff. You should already, you know, if you ain't got it, just start getting you something now. Get you some food on deck, baby. While it's cheap, beans cheap. Lima beans, red beans, black beans, you see what I'm saying? That stuff won't go bad on you. You know, that way you're ready. Cause you don't want to be in the position where, you know, you're gonna panic. The grocery store might run out of groceries. You know, supply chains all jacked up too. It don't have to be the shutdown, it could be anything. Bad weather come in, you know how it is when it get ice on the road and trucks don't ride. I'm a truck driver. I know I don't drive on no ice, baby. That's skiing. That's called skiing. I don't do no skiing in a big truck. I don't give a damn who don't get their food. Safety issue. All right, Grumpy Nation, don't lose hope. Don't panic. And don't get caught up in the minutia. Right? Don't get caught up in the weeds. Catch y'all on the next one.